Would you like to speak English fluently? Do you have any problems of English grammar when you're trying to frame sentences to speak in English with your friends? If you have such problems, don't worry. Because I also had the same problems that you are having today. I faced the same situations that you are in today. So I remember when I started learning English for the first time, the one thing that disturbed me a lot was English grammar. After years and years I studied, and after studying I learned the very art and science of English grammar to master English speaking. Today I could communicate with you effectively just because of the struggles that I had. And today I'm here in front of you with my 5-day live workshop where I'm going to share all the secrets by which I have learned speaking English by mastering English grammar. In 5 days, I'm going to cover 5 important topics. Day 1, I'm going to cover the very fundamentals of English grammar, which is very essential for all of you to speak in English. Day 2, you are going to learn sentence making. Yes, I'm going to teach you everything related to sentence. Day 3, you are going to learn about tenses, and I'll give you the formula of mastering tense in a very less time. And after attending the session, that you'd be able to use the tense to speak effectively. Therefore, you are going to learn about parts of speech. You know that without parts of speech, it is impossible to communicate in English. And all those things when you learn, then 5 days I am coming with 2 points only. Point number 1, the uses of STP in communicative English. Point number 2, that is called 3-step CMP method. These 2 points, once you understand, then nobody could stop you from becoming an effective speaker. Hundreds of students of mine who have used this technique to express effectively by mastering English grammar, they are successful today. If you want to join the community of action takers, sign up right now as we have limited seats. I'll see you live. Thank you.